Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HubSpot Marketing Hub, manage leads and automation step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the HubSpot website by typing in www.hubspot.com. On the top right corner of the homepage, locate the login button and click on it. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your HubSpot account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot My Password link to reset it. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. After logging in, you will be taken to your HubSpot dashboard. To access the Marketing Hub, locate and click on the Marketing tab in the main navigation menu. Within the Marketing section, you can manage your leads effectively. To view your leads, click on Contacts in the drop-down menu. Here, you can see a list of all your leads and their details. To automate your lead management, navigate to the Automation tab. Inside the Automation section, you can create workflows tailored to your needs. Now, click on Workflows to start designing your automation process. Select Create Workflow to initiate a new automation project. Follow the prompts to set triggers, actions, and conditions for your workflow. Once you have configured your workflow, save your changes. To monitor your lead activity, regularly check the dashboard for updates. You are now ready to manage leads and automate processes within HubSpot Marketing Hub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.